Feathers, being critical to the survival of a bird, require maintenance. Apart from physical wear and tear, feathers face the onslaught of fungi, ectoparasitic feather mites and bird lice. The physical condition of feathers are maintained by preening, often with the application of secretions from the preen gland. Birds also bathe in water or dust themselves. While some birds dip into shallow water, more aerial species may make aerial dips into water, and arboreal species often make use of dew or rain that collect on leaves. Birds of arid regions make use of loose soil to dust bathe. A behavior termed as anting, in which the bird encourages ants to run through their plumage, is also thought to help them reduce the ectoparasite load in feathers. Many species will spread out their wings and expose them to direct sunlight, and this too is thought to help in reducing fungal and ectoparasitic activity that may lead to feather damage.